भाई रुको ना भाई रुको आन भाई।
Bollywood's newest heartthrob, Ahan Pandey, is making waves with his debut film Sayara. But it's not just his performance that's winning hearts. The young star was recently spotted in Mumbai, keeping things low-key as he stepped out in the city. Wearing a face mask and dressed casually, Ahan tried to stay incognito. Even though he prefers a low profile, his fans and the paparazzi caught up with him. When the paps asked for a photo, Ahan graciously obliged. The media congratulated him on Sayara's massive success. And Ahan responded with a sweet and humble gesture, placing a hand on his heart and thanking them with a smile. He even posed for photos with the photographers, showing once again why fans are falling for his down-to-earth charm. In case you missed it, Sayara has become a box office success story, crossing 507 crore rupees worldwide in just 18 days. Directed by Mohit Suri, the film continues to hold strong even with new releases. Sayara tells the story of Krish Kapoor, played by Ahan Pandey, an egotistical, short-tempered musician searching for his big break. He meets Vani, a shy, heartbroken journalist played by Aneet. When Krish discovers Vani's diary filled with poetry, he turns her words into songs. And those songs become chart-topping hits, with Sayara's roaring success and Ahan Pandey's humble charm. It looks like Bollywood has found its next big star.
आने वाले स्टार है, आने वाले स्टार है। जाओ 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 जाओ।
मुझे अच्छे जो लगा है, मुझे अच्छे जो लगा।
भाई ये रह गए, भाई ये रह गए, एक रह गए। आओ ना, आओ ना। आन भाई रुको ना भाई बहुत टाइम से रुके। 500 करोड़ कमा ली भाई। पीछे 500 करोड़ कमा ली। आन भाई यहाँ पे। यहाँ नहीं देखे भाई। भाई रुको ना भाई रुको आन भाई यहाँ पे आन भाई सबको चाहिए भाई, सबको चाहिए, बहुत टाइम से रुके भाई। यहाँ पे रुको चलो सब लोग आन भाई सुशील मानना, सुशील उधर थैंक यू आन भाई। मुझे भी चाहिए भाई आन भाई।
Bollywood and South cinema fans are buzzing with excitement as speculation around Mrinal Thakur and Dhanush's alleged romance continues to heat up. While neither of the actors has made anything official, their recent actions have only added fuel to the fire. It all began when Dhanush was spotted at the Son of Sardar event. But what truly caught everyone's attention was his presence at Mrinal Thakur's birthday party shortly after. Since then, fans have been on high alert, picking up on subtle signs and clues that suggest something more than just friendship. The latest and most telling sign, Mrinal has quietly started following Dhanush's elder sisters, Dr. Karthika Karthik and Vimla Geetha, on Instagram. In an interesting twist, both sisters are now following Mrinal back. While this might seem like a small gesture, fans believe it could be a major hint that she's already being introduced to Dhanush's close circle. Coincidence? Fans don't think so. Adding to the buzz, a video recently went viral showing Mrinal and Dhanush at an event where they were seen stealing glances and even holding hands discreetly. This visual clue has sent social media into a frenzy. A source close confirmed the speculation, stating, "Yes, it's true that they are dating. But it's too new and they've no plans of making their relationship official before the public or the media." At the same time, they're unfazed about going out and about and being spotted. Friends are truly rooting for them as they're quite similar and compatible when it comes to their values, choices and thoughts. Dhanush, who is known to be extremely close to his family, especially his sisters, often meets them at least twice a month. In 2024, he even attended a puja hosted by Dr. Karthika at her home. Given his strong family ties, fans are now wondering if Mrinal is already being welcomed in. The timing of their growing bond seems to coincide with Mrinal's increasing presence in South Indian cinema. After the success of Sita Raman, she began exploring more projects in the South. It was reportedly during this time that her connection with Dhanush began to deepen. Despite this shift, Mrinal hasn't left her Bollywood roots behind. She's currently shooting for Dakot, a love story alongside Adivi Sesh. So, are they just good friends, or is this the start of something bigger? Only time will tell. But for now, fans are definitely loving this budding connection. The shocking death of businessman Sanjay Kapoor during a polo match in London last month had left many unanswered questions and sparked a family power struggle over his 30,000 crore rupees Sona Group. Now, the Surrey Coroner's Office has released its findings, confirming that Sanjay Kapoor died of natural causes. According to British medical authorities, the investigation revealed he suffered from left ventricular hypertrophy and ischemic heart disease. The coroner added, "In light of this, the investigation has now been discontinued pursuant to Section 4 of the Coroners and Justice Act 2009. There will be no need for an inquest." A letter with this report was sent to his wife, Priya Sachdev Kapoor, and sources close to her say the findings prove there was no foul play. They also confirmed the report was shared with Sanjay's mother, Rani Kapoor, days ago. But despite that, Rani Kapoor believes otherwise. She wrote to Surrey police claiming she has credible and concerning evidence that suggests his death may not have been accidental or natural, but may have involved foul play. In her letter, Rani Kapoor pointed to possible forgery, dubious asset transfers, and collusion involving people who stood to gain financially, implying Priya Kapoor. Last month, speaking publicly for the first time after his passing, Rani said, "I still don't know what happened to my son. I'm old now. I need closure before I go." With the official cause confirmed as natural, but accusations still flying, this tragic story continues to unfold. A shocking video of actor-choreographer Raghav Juyal slapping actress Sakshi Malik has gone viral, sparking major outrage on social media. In the clip, Sakshi and Raghav are seen in a heated argument. Suddenly, Raghav slaps her, and Sakshi is also seen trying to pull his hair. Two men quickly step in to break it up. The video left fans stunned, with many expressing anger and confusion over what really happened. Now, both Raghav and Sakshi have broken their silence, clarifying that it was not real. Resharing the video, Raghav wrote, "Guys, this was a scene practice for our play script. Acting practice. Please don't think it's real, bas acha actor banne ki practice hai." Sakshi also clarified, saying, "Guys, this was just a scene from a recent acting practice session. There was absolutely no intention to hurt or offend anyone." Just 4 actors working through a performance. Hope you understand. But the internet had a lot to say. One user wrote, "That's why it was forbidden in my acting classes to record any in-class scene work or acting exercise." Another commented, "It's just an act, but one thing I would like to highlight over here. Everyone would blame the guy for the hit. I wouldn't even call it a slap. But did no one see the girl pulling his hair or whatever she was doing? If you ask me, both physically kind of assaulted each other in a heated argument. Why take sides? Anyway, quite cheap PR for relevance, lol. Do better, Raghav." And one netizen summed it up with, "It is so disturbing. So, was it just misunderstood acting practice or an unnecessary stunt?" Television star Rupali Ganguly is in the spotlight, but not just for her hit show Anupama. This time, it's for a bold statement that stirred quite a debate online. In a recent chat, Rupali made a heartfelt request to the government, asking them to consider television shows and actors for national awards. She said, "It means a lot क्योंकि television वालों के लिए कोई national award नहीं है। तो अगर स्मृति जी आए तो हो सकता है कि उस दिशा में एक पॉजिटिव रास्ता मिले। It will make a lot of difference." आज कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स के लिए नेशनल अवार्ड है, फिल्म्स हर रीजनल सिनेमा हर किसी के लिए नेशनल अवार्ड है, लेकिन टेलीविजन वालों के लिए नहीं है. Rupali's comments came while she was speaking about Smriti Irani, who also rose to fame through TV before joining politics. Rupali feels that Smriti's comeback could bring positive change for the TV industry. While many fans are supporting Rupali's statement, not everyone agrees. Some netizens trolled the actress. One user tweeted, "National award for what? For portraying every other woman in show, either a vamp or a doormat in the name of women empowerment. For not sticking to one profession and having Nayi Udaan daily, or for being the daughter of a Bolly director. Guts to ask national award when TV content is worse." Another wrote, "National award for what, bro? I watch TV too, but I'm sorry, nowadays TV does not have the kind of shows that are worthy of national awards." And one more added, "National award for saying Suri 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 in almost all the episodes." Despite the mixed reactions, Rupali's words have sparked an important conversation about recognition for Indian TV. Will television finally get its due at the national awards? Only time will tell.